If you're looking to make a significant financial change and make your first $1,000 within the next 30 days, especially if you're starting with limited resources or experience, I'm here to share a method that isn't just thought up on the spot. It's helped me make my first 50,000 euro online within my first 6 months, and I've got the evidence to back all of this up. Over the last 2 years, I've tailored this entire thing to help others just like you. Some people have taken my completely free course and made 2, 3, 4, even 6K every single month within their first 90 days. The business model that I'm talking about is called white label SaaS. This is a business model with a ton of opportunities out there and not enough people fulfilling this for clients that actually need the service. Countless businesses out there lack all the tools and all the systems and all the marketing things that they need for to actually run their business. There's so many businesses out there, but there's so little people actually doing this right now, which means it's completely unsaturated right now and there's so much money to be made, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. Now, the good thing about these businesses not having any of these tools or any of these softwares or any of these systems means that you can come in, provide these to these businesses for whatever price you want. I currently have around 40 clients paying between $97 and $497 every single month. The most a client is actually paying me for this is $900 every single month. I don't have to manage anything. I don't really have to do anything at all anymore. I simply set them up on the software. It takes around 1 to 2 hours to set them up. And once they're all set up, there's not really any maintenance whatsoever unless they need something changed or if they need something updated down the line. And these businesses are happy to just pay for this every single month because for that monthly fee that they're paying you, they're getting so much value in return. Even if they're paying you $200 a month, let's just say it's a restaurant, for example, the average table is going to be paying around $50 or 50 euros. All you really need to bring in for that restaurant is an extra 4 families in the door, and it's completely covered for the month. The hardest part about all of this is actually acquiring these clients, but make sure to stick it out to the very end of this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to do everything, how to actually find these clients, how to reach out to these clients, and ultimately how to sign them for between 97 or 497 every single month. So the first thing that you want to do is join a ton of Facebook groups that are specifically geared towards local businesses, whether they're local businesses in your area or local businesses somewhere else around the country. You want to join as many of these as possible. And what you want to do is actually start networking with these business owners in the group. You want to start sending out friend requests. You want to start sending out cold DMs. And the main thing that you want to offer is actually a free website built on High Level. But the best part about this is it's not actually free. The website itself might be free, but the thing is you want to actually charge a small monthly hosting fee to your clients. And whenever you think about monthly hosting fees for all these other platforms and stuff, they usually only charge around $20 to $30, but because of what High Level does and all the other features and everything, it's not just a website you're providing for them, it's the CRM, the customer relationship managers. They can keep track of all their leads and all their customers. It's a reputation management, so you can help them get more positive Google reviews but hide and internalize all the negative reviews. They can even run their email marketing and their SMS marketing. There's so many different things in High Level. All they need to do is just import their contact list, and there's so many different marketing campaigns and different features that you can actually do and help these businesses bring in a ton more revenue. The best part, in my opinion, about High Level is you don't need to have any previous business experience. You don't even need to know how to code a single line. All you do with High Level itself is they allow you to take their entire software platform, you white label it, which means you put your own logo on there and your own branding, and then you go out and sell that to these businesses for, again, that monthly fee of whatever it is that you want to sell for. So you want to start reaching out to as many of these business owners as possible. Even if you only get 10 customers paying you that 97 a month, you're pretty much already making $1,000 or 1,000 euros within your first month. This is completely doable. You only need to get a client every 3 days within your first months to make your first $1,000 online. But why should you stop there? You should upsell these clients to all the other different features of High Level. So for that 97 a month, you want to offer the website and maybe the CRM and reputation management, but you can upsell these clients to maybe $297 or $400 or $500 every single month. And here's where you come in and add a ton more value, whether you're going to offer to run their ads for them, do their content creation, actually run their email marketing. You want to get good at copywriting for this. It doesn't really matter. You want to pick another 2 or 3 different features or different services that you can sell to these clients and then upsell them down the line. To get my first 10 clients on board is actually going door to door to these business owners. And the way I thought about this was, if you're going door to door to these business owners, they're getting cold called every single day, multiple times a day, from all these different marketing companies trying to sell them all these different Facebook ad tools and softwares and everything like that. But if you're showing up to these business owners Now, you being unique, actually going door to door to these businesses, they know you're not going to scam them. They probably know some sort of family friend of yours, or there might be a relation of yours. So they know that the local person in their area is trying to make a living for them and start their own local business. The trust is already there right off the bat. The hardest part about all of this is actually getting through to the decision maker, because once you walk into the door of these local businesses, whether it's a real estate agency or it's a gym or it's a restaurant, you're going to be met with the receptionist, which is sometimes called the gatekeeper, because this person is in between you and the person you want to talk to, which is obviously the business owner or the business manager themselves. You don't want to lie to the receptionist and tell them that the business owner was expecting you. Now, when I got speaking to the receptionist, I told them that I wanted to get in touch with the business owner because I was a local student. I wanted to help out with their marketing, I wanted to help out with their sales and all their systems and everything like that. And usually when you're a local guy and you're a young person, you're walking in, this takes a lot of courage. They respect it and they usually just pass you on to the business owner themselves. Now, once you get talking to the business owner, the thing is, if you are a beginner at this, you haven't really sold anything to anyone yet. When you're selling this, you want to go on the lower side of things, because the thing is, you have no case studies, you have no testimonials, and overall you're just a complete beginner, and they can usually tell this right off the bat. But it's nothing to be worried about. You just want to charge on the lower side of things, and if you need to, you can offer them a free trial, whether that's 7 days or 14 days through the software. So that'll give them enough time to build out all the systems and everything that they need in there. But once everything's built out in there, maybe you built out a website for them and you're doing the reputation management, they're usually going to keep paying for the software. I was recently at the annual Go High Level Up Summit in Dallas in Texas, and we actually partnered up to offer a completely free extended 30-day free trial for High Level itself. Usually these extended trials don't come around very often, they're usually 14 days, so make sure you make total use of it. This 30-day trial will not only give you enough time to get it completely set up, but you'll also get your first few clients within those 30 days if you just follow everything and you just do everything that's in the free course. So to get signed up for this, you want to click on the first link down in the description. Once you get signed up, you'll automatically get granted access to the Start Your SaaS program. This is the exact course that has taken some of my students from completely zero, a complete beginner, to even some of them making their first 2, 3, 6K every single month, like I mentioned at the start of this video. You'll also get access directly to me for one-on-one coaching whenever you need anything at all. You'll get access to a ton of different website and funnel templates. You'll get access to all these different outreach scripts, access to weekly calls and bi-weekly guest calls with a lot of big guests in the industry. So if you're anyway interested at all, make sure to sign up for that extended 30-day free trial down in the description. High Level don't tie you into any contracts at all, so you don't need to worry about anything. So give this method a shot. I'm looking forward to hearing about all your results. Make sure to comment them down below, and we'll see you in the next video.